Hi, my name is Christopher Grider, and I'm standing on the spot that my car was towed from two car parts when this entire incident occurred. I want you guys just to know a little bit about me, since you've already watched my videos. I'm a CU student, CU Boulder. I study sociology, psychology, neuroscience, and biochemistry. My goal in life is to be a researcher who does mathematical modeling of neurosynaptic systems to help further research into neurodegenerative disorders. Anyway, this did not deserve to happen to me. And it does not deserve to happen to you. It shouldn't happen to anybody. So if you're sick and tired of insurance companies being given free rein to fuck people over like this, I want you to do something for me. Call your state representative. Every single state representative and their office phone number is given in the next page.